Saudi Arabia stands in one of the driest regions on Earth, yet it has mastered something extraordinary. Along the Red Sea coast, massive industrial intake stations pull in billions of liters of seawater every day. Giant pipelines carry this water deep into the desert through kilometers of steel and reinforced tunnels. Powerful pumps push it forward, overcoming extreme heat, sandstorms, and distance. Inside enormous desalination plants, the seawater goes through multiple stages of transformation. First filtered to remove sand and debris, then forced through high-pressure membranes that separate salt at a molecular level. What remains is pure freshwater, but it doesn't stop there. Advanced systems add essential minerals back into the water, tested in ultra-modern laboratories, and ensure it meets strict safety standards. AI-controlled networks then distribute this water across cities, farms, and industries nationwide. From a vast ocean to a living desert, Saudi Arabia has built a system that turns seawater into life itself.
Every second, Saudi Arabia pulls millions of liters of seawater from the Red Sea.
The journey begins beneath the surface through massive underwater intake systems.
Before purification begins, massive filters strip away debris from the seawater.
Powerful pumps force billions of liters inland through enormous pipelines. These pipelines carry seawater across some of Earth's harshest environments.
Booster stations maintain relentless pressure through the desert pipeline network.
Every valve controls the movement of millions of liters every hour.
Inside the control rooms, engineers monitor the entire water network in real time. Constant maintenance keeps the seawater flowing without interruption. Hidden beneath the ground, giant tunnels transport seawater toward the heart of the system. Every kilometer of pipeline is constantly inspected for stability and pressure. Surge chambers absorb enormous pressure fluctuations across the network. This colossal infrastructure forms the beginning of Saudi Arabia's water lifeline.
From the sea to the desert, the transformation process is only beginning.
The seawater is now divided into powerful streams for long-distance transport inland.
Vast pipeline networks carry seawater deep into the desert interior.
Beneath the desert, hidden tunnels maintain uninterrupted water flow.
Booster pumps ensure seawater travels hundreds of kilometers inland.
Advanced cooling systems protect pipelines from extreme desert heat.
Every drop of seawater is precisely regulated across the network.
The pipeline crosses vast desert valleys through engineered precision bridges. Drones ensure every kilometer of pipeline remains fully operational.
Relay stations maintain momentum across the desert's long distances.
Pressure stabilization prevents pipeline failure across vast distances.
All inland pipelines converge into a single powerful water artery. The seawater now approaches the heart of transformation. This is the gateway where seawater becomes a resource.
From here, seawater enters the advanced purification system.
At the edge of the desert, one of the world's largest water facilities comes into view. Every entry is controlled to protect this critical water infrastructure. Inside, seawater is guided into the heart of industrial processing. Massive reservoirs stabilize incoming seawater before treatment begins.
The first purification stage removes natural impurities from seawater. Powerful pumps drive seawater deeper into the purification chain.
Pressure is carefully controlled before advanced filtration begins.
Every drop of seawater is tracked across the entire system. All intake systems merge into a unified industrial flow. The seawater now enters the deeper transformation network.
Cooling systems prepare seawater for purification efficiency. Seawater is accelerated to optimal processing speed. Everything inside the plant connects through one industrial backbone.
Now the seawater enters the core purification system.
Seawater enters the first stage of industrial purification.
Large particles are immediately removed by high-speed screening systems.
All extracted material is safely removed from the purification line.
Gravity-based systems separate fine sand and suspended particles.
Even microscopic impurities begin to be filtered out.
Every drop is analyzed before entering deeper treatment. Remaining solids are compressed and removed from the system.
Carefully controlled treatments prepare water for advanced purification.
The water is stabilized for safe and efficient processing. Turbidity levels drop as water becomes increasingly refined.
The water now moves faster as it becomes cleaner.
Even invisible impurities are extracted from the flow. Now the seawater is ready for advanced purification.
From here, the transformation becomes highly precise and technical. Now the seawater enters the heart of desalination technology. Immense pressure forces water through ultra-fine filtration systems. At the molecular level, salt is separated from water itself. The salt is separated and safely redirected away from clean water. For the first time, seawater becomes pure freshwater. Essential minerals are carefully restored for safe consumption. Final filtration ensures absolute purity and safety. UV light ensures complete biological safety of the water. The system ensures perfect balance before distribution begins. Artificial intelligence controls the national water distribution flow.
Every drop is stabilized before entering nationwide transport.
Now the purified water moves toward national storage systems. Every batch is verified before entering national supply systems. From seawater to pure water, the transformation is now complete at this stage.
Now clean water enters the National Distribution Transformation Hub. The system divides water into multiple national supply routes.
Water is accelerated for long-distance national transport.
Every city receives precisely controlled water supply connections.
Beneath the cities, a hidden water network keeps everything alive. Urban reservoirs store life-sustaining freshwater for millions.
Some of this water brings life to Saudi agriculture.
Industries depend on stable water for continuous operation.
Artificial intelligence balances water supply across the nation. Pressure systems ensure flawless national water stability. Even the most remote deserts are connected to the water network. Redundant systems guarantee uninterrupted water supply. The entire nation moves in perfect water synchronization. All flows unite before final quality verification.
Artificial intelligence now governs the entire water infrastructure of the nation.
Robots now inspect every kilometer of pipeline with precision.
Even the smallest leak is detected instantly across the system. The system predicts demand before it even happens.
Every valve in the system is now fully automated.
The entire infrastructure is monitored from above in real time.
Pressure is balanced instantly across thousands of kilometers. Even emergencies are resolved before they can escalate. Maintenance happens before failure can even begin. A perfect digital replica mirrors the entire water network. Artificial intelligence decides the most efficient flow of water. Even energy consumption is fully optimized and controlled. The entire system now operates as one intelligent organism. The intelligent water network is now fully operational. Now water enters its final stage of industrial refinement.
Even microscopic traces are removed at the nano level.
Essential minerals are finely tuned for perfect human consumption.
The water now reaches near-perfect clarity. Every drop is verified for absolute safety. The water is now perfectly stabilized and balanced. Freshness is enhanced through controlled oxygenation. Pressure is stabilized to absolute precision. Every batch is tested before public distribution. The purified water now enters its final delivery pathway.
Every drop is officially certified for safe consumption.
The system ensures perfect uniformity before final storage. All refined streams unite into a single, pure output flow. The water is now ready for final quality approval. Before release, every drop enters the strictest testing phase. Every chemical element is measured with absolute accuracy. No biological contamination is allowed to pass this stage. Artificial intelligence validates water safety in real time. Every pipeline is tested under extreme, real-world conditions. Even taste and human compatibility are scientifically verified. Still it. Re-audio features a narrator's voice speaking over the scene, delivering a formal announcement. Even extreme risk scenarios show complete system safety. Multiple systems independently confirm absolute purity.
The batch is officially approved for national distribution.
Quality is not just tested once, it is monitored forever. Safety systems stand ready for instant protection if needed.
The entire nation's water system receives final clearance.
The water is now fully certified and ready for the world.